Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to set up your Wi-Fi hotspot on your iPhone or any iOS device. It's very easy to do. All you have to do is head over to your settings on your iPhone, click on that, and then you want to ensure that your cellular data is on. If it is already, you can go ahead and click on the personal hotspot option right below that. And then here you're going to see two options: allow others to join, which is going to be basically enabling the hotspot. So you want to click on that to enable the hotspot originally. And then under that, you want to set the password that you want to have set to. To change the password, you just click on that, and then you'll be able to change the password here. But once you change the password and that's on, then whoever you want to join your Wi-Fi hotspot can then go ahead and do that just by going to the settings on their phone and going to Wi-Fi, and then they will see your hotspot there. If you want to turn your hotspot on afterwards, all you have to do is click on this little green toggle. Once it goes gray, that means it is off and nobody can join your hotspot. Anyhow, I hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you how to set up the Wi-Fi hotspot on your iPhone. If it was helpful, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.